Good morning, everyone. Eric down here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson with some really exciting news. Two vehicles that we've been waiting for have finally showed up. We have the 2023 Freewheeler over here on my left, and on my right, we have an available Road Glide 3 in bright billiard blue. So I'm just going to touch on a couple things because we haven't really seen too many of these come through this year yet, and most of the ones that have been pre-sold. So we are fortunate enough to have two of these in stock and available on the floor. So if you have questions on that, I'll get to a phone number for you later. But first we're gonna start with the Road Glide 3. So obviously this is a new model for this year, which we are super excited about. One, we got a beautiful paint set. It's the first year Harley's offering blacked out motor kits on their trikes. And of course you got that traditional Road Glide fairing up here. So what that means for you as a rider is, essentially you get the full benefits that you would have with like a tri-glide. You just don't have the added weight of the tour pack. So coming right up front to the fairing here, you're gonna see you have the traditional Road Glide fairing on here, which is gonna come with the 6.5-inch GTS, which is a very capable system here. You're gonna see that it comes with not only your music, your AM, FM radio here, you're also gonna have Bluetooth capability. You're gonna have navigation right here in the center. So it is fully equipped, just like a Road Glide Special. And that is gonna include your split stream vent up here. You're also gonna have storage on the left and right hand sides. And over here, you're gonna have USB in there to be able to just plug in your phone and rock and roll. But you have all the great features that you would expect from a Road Glide Special. The other trike I'm really excited to show you guys about is this 2023 Freewheeler. One of the biggest upgrades we've seen on the Freewheeler this year is obviously the blacked out kit. So you're gonna have the blacked out bars, blacked out wheels, and of course the blacked out 114 motor on this. This is something we haven't seen too much of this year, so we're super excited to have one that's in stock and available. So if it's just something you're looking for a stripped down version of the trike, maybe you don't want the radio, maybe you don't need the tour pack, maybe you just want your knees in the breeze and the wind on your chest, this is certainly gonna be a great option for that. So if you have any questions on this, you can reach out to myself or anyone here on the team. The number at the showroom is 802-476-6104, or you can always stop by. Coffee's always on and the water's always cold. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks.